Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve day 7 problem of this month on LeetCode. If you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. So today we are going to solve problem number 876, that is middle of the linked list. It is an easy problem. So in this problem we have given the head of a single linked list and we have to return the middle node of the linked list. And if there are two middle nodes, then in that case we have to return the second middle node. Okay, so let's understand this with an example here. Okay, so to solve this problem we are going to use one slow pointer and one fast pointer. Okay, we are going to use these two pointers, slow and fast. Okay, so fast is going to jump, so I'm going to mark this fast in green. Okay, so fast is going to jump for two nodes. Okay, fast dot next, and again fast is going to jump for two nodes, fast dot next, and again fast is going to jump for the two nodes. Okay, and slow is going to make a one jump at a time. Okay, so slow I am marking with blue color. So slow reaches here when my fast reaches at this 3. When my fast reaches at this 5, my slow reaches here. Okay, and after that here see after this I am getting null value, right? There is null value. Okay, so fast dot next is null. So my fast dot next is null. Okay, in that case I have to stop. If my fast dot next is equal to null, in that case I have to stop. So here I have stopped. Now my slow is at this position, at this node. So I am going to return my output as 3. Okay, so here again now let's understand. So I am going to represent my fast with green. Okay, so my fast makes this jump first. My fast dot next is not null, right? So my fast is going to make a jump to this 3. Now my slow is going to make one jump, right? After that my fast is checking if my fast dot next is not equal to null. No, it is not null. Then again my fast is going to make one jump. Okay, now after that slow is going to make one jump. Okay, now my fast is going to check here if my fast dot next is not equal to null. Yes, it is not equal to null. Okay, so again my fast is going to make one more jump. Okay, so here my fast reaches here and slow is going to make one more jump. Okay, slow reaches here. Now here at this position my fast is equal to null, right? And fast is equal to null. In that case I have to return but my slow pointer, right? Where is my slow? So slow is at node 4. So this is going to be my output. So code is going to be very simple for this problem. Okay, just a few lines. So list node, current node. Okay, current node, you can say it. This node current node is equal to head. Okay, and yeah, this is okay. You can say it like this. Both slow and fast pointers right now are at head, right? List node slow is equal to head. List node fast is equal to head. Okay, so both are at head right now, and inside this I am going to run one while loop while my fast is not equal to null. Okay, this thing and my fast dot next is not equal to null. Okay, if this is the case, then fast pointer is going to make two jumps, right? Fast is going to make two jumps. Fast is equal to fast dot next, and slow is making one jump at a time, right? Slow is equal to slow dot next, and in the end I am going to return slow, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand this code. Now let's run it. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit our code. So our solution is accepted and the runtime is 0 millisecond and it beats 100% of users with Java. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's code, and if you guys still have any question, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.